If you need to contact Roblox for support, the best way is to use their official support form at roblox.com/support. This form helps you submit a ticket with all the details about your issue. You can also access the support form by clicking the gear icon on the website or in the app, then selecting Help. Here's how you can use the support form. Go to the support page at https://in.help.roblox.com/hc/us/requests/new or navigate to it through the app or website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your Roblox account. Fill in your details. Enter your first name, email, and Roblox username. Select your device, PC, mobile, etc., and pick the category that best matches your issue like billing, account, or technical support. In the description box, explain your problem in detail. Make sure to include any relevant error codes or proof of the issue if you have it. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. Afterward, you'll receive an email confirmation, and you should expect a response within 24 to 48 hours. For specific issues related to privacy, you can email privacy@roblox.com. For general inquiries, you can try emailing info@roblox.com or support-n@roblox.com. But using the support form is usually the quickest and most efficient method.